Welcome to the channel REKHANYAS. We are drawing cartoon characters. Today we are drawing Peppa Pig. So let's start our drawing with Peppa character first. We'll draw a circle, another small circle, and we'll join them to draw the nose. Now we'll define the face outline and nostrils. Here we'll measuring the head size and we'll mark this area as it is a two-head character. So in this area we'll draw the body, one head and another head. A little bit up we'll draw a line and one half circle for Peppa's frock. And overall it is two head up to half feet. Now come to the hands. Now let me clean the extra lines. We'll draw the ears next. This area we'll draw the ears. Peppa and her family members have the same features, but according to their age, the sizes will be different. Gradually I will show you. Now the eyes, simplified circular eyes. Now the character is almost ready, except one thing. Can you guess what is that? Yes, it is the tail. Okay, now we'll go to the next character, George. Same way, we'll draw two circles and join them. Get the mouth. Now the ears. Again we'll measure the head size and mark the two head size, and we'll cut it into half as our character is 1.5 head. George is 1.5 head character, not like Peppa. Peppa is 2 head character, but George is 1.5 head character. We have to remember that. Friends, if you don't know what is 1.5 head size or what is 2 head size character, then I'll tell you. First you have to take the head size of your character as a unit, and with that size you have to measure the length of the body. Like in case of George, I have taken the head size as 1 unit, and when I measure his overall body up to his feet, it comes to half of his head. So overall his height is 1.5 head. 1 head plus half head. Okay, after Peppa and George, it's time for Daddy Pig. Let's draw Daddy Pig with a big circle. Now his nose. We'll draw a straight line for his nose. His face is not exactly proper circular shape. You see, a little bit different. Big ears, big nostrils. Now we'll measure Daddy Pig's body, and it is more than 2.5 head character. So up to his stomach he is 2 head size. His body is also not in circular shape. You see, it's a little bit different. Now we'll draw his legs. So Daddy Pig's height is more than 2 head size. His legs are also a little bit tilted towards outside, not exactly like Peppa and George. He has big eyes and glasses also. The circular shape on his cheek is also a little bit smaller in size compared to Pepper and George. Now his mustache and beard. With that, our Daddy Pig character is also ready. Now it's time to draw Mummy Pig. We'll follow the same way. Mummy Pig is exactly 2 head in size. Up to her feet, she is 2 head. So the length of her frock will be a little bit up, approximately here. But before drawing the frock, we should complete the face first. Then it will be easier for us to draw the frock. In case of Mummy Pig, her frock width is a little bit wider than her face width. We have to remember that because in case of Pepper, her face width and her frock width is exactly same. Mummy Pig is also standing straight like Peppa and George. Time to draw her ears. Now we will draw Mummy Pig's eyes. Same circle for her cheek also, and half circle for her mouth. Mummy Pig has eyelashes also. Isn't she looking cute with those eyelashes? Okay, now with the tail, Mummy Pig's drawing is also done. So see, Peppa, George, Daddy Pig and Mummy Pig. Now I hope you can draw them properly. Let's start coloring from the up towards down. We will start with Daddy Pig's face. We are using a very beautiful pink color to color the skin. Same color we'll use for the other characters also. We have to color the whole face very gently and evenly. Time to color Mummy Pig. Very carefully we have to color around the eyes. Now, Pepper. Same way, we will color Pepper also. Now George. His face is very small, so we have to be very careful. Gently and neatly color all of them. Now color Daddy Pig's big fat stomach. with a bluish green. Now orange color for Mummy Pig's frock. Very fast I am doing, but be very careful when you are coloring. Now take red color for Peppa. Time to color George with blue. And with that color, our drawing is ready. I hope you have enjoyed the process of this drawing and you can also give it a try. If you have any character in your mind you want me to draw, please write down the name in the comment box so in future I can draw them for you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and thank you so much for watching.